Grade 8 Biology, Microorganisms Front and 4, Module 2. Objectives: to explain useful activities of various microorganisms. Role of microbes in our life. You might know microbes only for causing harm to human beings by causing diseases and making us ill. But the truth is, microbes are also beneficial to us in a variety of ways. They help in preparation of several household and industrial products like curd, cake, bread, antibiotics and beverages. They also help the environment, acting as decomposers and biofertilizers. They play an important role in sewage treatment as well. Friendly microorganisms. Microorganisms are used for various purposes. Some microorganisms are used in the production of curd, bread, and cake. Some microorganisms have been used for the production of alcohol. They are also used in cleaning up of the environment. For example, the organic wastes are broken down into harmless and usable substances by bacteria. In agricultural fields, microorganisms are used to increase soil fertility by fixing nitrogen. Making of curd and bread. Curd contains several microorganisms. Of these, the bacterium Lactobacillus promotes the formation of curd. When a little pre-made curd or starter is added to warm milk, then Lactobacilli bacteria present in curd multiply in milk and convert the lactose sugar into lactic acid. This helps in formation of curd. When yeast is mixed in dough for making bread, the yeast reproduces rapidly and gives out carbon dioxide gas during respiration. The bubbles of carbon dioxide gas fill the dough and it increases its volume. It is also used in making cakes, bread, and pastries. This is an activity to explain role of yeast in rising of dough. Let us know what are the commercial use of microorganisms. For large-scale production of alcohol, wine, and acetic acid, microorganisms are used. For commercial production of alcohol and wine, yeast is grown on natural sugars present in grains like barley, wheat, rice, and crushed fruit juices, etc. This is an activity to explain role of yeast in alcohol production. At first, take a 100 ml beaker filled up to 3/4 with water. Dissolve 2 to 3 teaspoons of sugar in it. Add half a spoon of yeast powder to the sugar solution. Keep it covered in a warm place for 4 to 5 hours. Now smell the solution. We feel the smell of alcohol as sugar has been converted into alcohol by yeast. This process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is known as fermentation. It was discovered by the scientist Louis Pasteur in 1857. Medicinal use of microorganisms. Microbes are also used to prepare antibiotics, which are used to treat several bacterial infections. Antibiotics are chemical substances that kill disease-causing microbes. Alexander Fleming, a Scottish scientist, discovered the first antibiotic and named it penicillin. Streptomycin, tetracycline, and erythromycin are made from fungi and bacteria are some of the commonly known antibiotics. The antibiotics are made by growing specific microorganisms and are used to cure a variety of diseases. Antibiotics should be taken only on the advice of a qualified doctor. Antibiotics are even added with feed of livestock and poultry for checking microbial infection in animals. Microorganisms are also used to control many plant diseases. What precautions should be followed while taking antibiotics and why? Antibiotics should be taken only on the advice of the doctor, and one must complete the course the doctor prescribes. Antibiotics taken in wrong doses may make the body resistant to the drug and it may not be effective in the future. Moreover, antibiotics may also kill the beneficial bacteria in the body. Role of microbes in vaccination. Vaccination is a process in which vaccine is given to improve the immunity of the body against a specific disease. Vaccine is a biological preparation that resembles a disease causing microbe. These vaccines are made up of dead or weak microbes. In vaccination, a memory of the disease causing organisms is created inside the body so that the body can fight back any further attack of the same disease causing organisms. Vaccine is introduced in the body which resembles a disease causing microorganisms. The body produces antibodies in response to the vaccine. These antibodies fight any further attack of the antigen. How does a vaccine work? When a disease carrying microbe enters our body, the antibodies produced by our body fight with the invader. If microbes enter again, the body also remembers that how to fight with the microbes. If dead or weakened microbes are injected in a healthy body, the body fights and kills them by producing suitable antibodies. The antibodies remain in the body for protecting from the disease causing microbes. This is how a vaccine works. Several diseases like cholera, tuberculosis, smallpox, hepatitis can be prevented by vaccination. Another useful activity of microorganisms is increasing soil fertility. Some bacteria and blue-green algae are able to increase the fertility of soil by fixing nitrogen from the atmosphere to enrich soil with nitrogen. These microbes are commonly called biological nitrogen fixers. Role of microorganisms in cleaning the environment. To make manure, we collect waste of plants, vegetables and fruits from nearby houses and gardens and put the waste in a pit meant for waste disposal. After some time, it decomposed by microorganisms and gets converted to manure. By this method, environment is cleaned.